Vision. CPC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards ecotourism and natural resource development. Mission. Pursuant to Section 3 of R8 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special purposes and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Quality Policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality higher education, technical instruction, research, extension and production services to meet the increasing stakeholders' requirements through continual improvement on its quality management system. To achieve this, the PEC shall, number 1, deliver quality service to stakeholders, 2, adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professional and ethical standards, 3, adapt changes in the educational system as required by law, 4, forge agreements with the other SUCS and line agencies locally and internationally. 5. Update the qualification and strengthen competencies of faculty members. 6. Improve its CAPE process and procedures in delivering quality instruction and relevant research, extension, and production services. And 7. Pursue continual improvement on quality management system as higher learning institution and partner in sustainable development. Objectives: to offer excellent and relevant baccalaureate degree programs in agriculture. 2. To produce quality instructional materials relevant to the degree program. 3. To inoculate moral values for total human development. 4. To produce quality researches relevant to local, regional, and national development goals. 5. To package generated agricultural technologies for farmers, fisher folks, and other stakeholders. 6. To promote relevant agricultural technologies for improved quality of life.